Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, and here behind me, I'm gonna have two Honda Accords. One's gonna be the LX right over here, as you can see in the meteorite gray. Then also in the meteorite gray, I'm gonna have an EX model right here. I'm gonna be showing you guys where you're gonna be gaining when you go from A to B, so you guys will be in the know. So let's dive in now. All right, so here we are right outside of the vehicles now. You can see we have the LX right over there and then the EX. We're gonna talk about the three things that will jump out to tell you the difference between if it's an EX or the LX, okay? So only three things you can notice right away. So we personally got the same color, meteorite gray here for you guys. As we walk over here to the LX, you can see the alloy rims. They're gonna be the 17-inch. Right over here, they got a nice little darker 17-inch rims right there on the EX model, okay? The front grille, all that's gonna be the same from that point. Same with the chrome action along the windows, same body color side mirrors and handles on both of these here quick, okay? Now the LX does not have the blind spot available, while over here on the EX, normally we'll have the blind spot available for you guys too as well. So at the current moment, when this video is released, there's a chip shortage out there, okay? So this is in a lot of cars out, just like this one would be labeled BD that does not have blind spot, that Honda does a price adjustment from the ones that do and don't, okay? Now, for more information what blind spot is, check out my other video right up top, okay? Now, the next thing you're gonna notice, right up here on the top of the vehicle, no power moonroof, versus right over here, guess what you got? A power moonroof, okay? So pretty cool right there from that point. Those are the three things you can tell from being on the outside of the vehicles, if it's an LX or an EX model. Let's dive right in now. All right, so here we are at the end of the vehicle here. Quick, we're gonna talk about the cargo space on the LX and the EX model right here. The big thing is gonna be more accommodating between passengers and cargo, okay? So you just look at the legendary space. We're here at the LX. You can see it's gonna be a bench seat right here. You wanna get one of these bad boys. So when you fold that down, it's all or nothing, okay? So it's accommodating. Now as we come right over here to the EX trim, the next step up, same space. You can see it's gonna be a 60-40 split, so I can accommodate if I just want to, you know, pull that down, need something more long space, or right over here, I can do that. I can accommodate between the two, between cargo and passengers, okay? Let's go see what's next. Boom, here we are right inside the EX model. I'm sitting in the driver's side seat. As we're talking about the driver's side seat, I have power seating with lumbar support right here, versus over there in the LX model, it's not gonna have power seating. It's gonna be manual seats from that point. So I'm assuming you guys already know the difference between those. Now, we're gonna come right over here quick. We're gonna talk about the most important thing that I get in trouble a lot with is the climate control, okay? As you guys watch my videos, you can see I always have the cold air blast and I'm always pretty warm. So that's gonna help me cool off here. My wife, she doesn't like it cold, okay? She's more like around the 70-degree type of gal. So to keep me out of trouble, she has hers, I have mine. We're happy, I'm out of trouble, okay? So it's pretty great. Dual climate control. And the EX, not the LX. Right over here, we also gonna have heated seats. Front heated seats on the EX model. It's going to be the same size touchscreen for you guys. The music system is going to be a little different too as well, okay? I'm going to throw the stats up there so you guys will be in the know. So over there on the LX model, it has 160 watts versus over here is 180 on the EX. Now the LX is going to have 4 speakers. The EX is going to have 8 speakers. So if you guys are really big into music, here we go. You got a little better sound system in this one, okay? A little more speaker action. Now we're going to come right over here. We're also going to have a lockable glove box on the EX model. So if I got any goodies or anything I want to hide in here, my snacks, whatever case is going on, important stuff, I can lock that. Now to take that one step further, if I got stuff in the trunk and I use valet parking or anything like that, you can lock that trunk. So if they hit the button, stuff like that, it won't release. That stays locked. No one can access the trunk until you come back in and you flip that switch, okay? That is not available in the LX model from that point. Now, a little more stuff here quick. Heated side mirrors with your rear defroster. You have a rear defroster over there, just not heated side mirrors, okay? So pretty cool stuff from that point. You guys let me know down below in the comments. Hey, are these features worth going from the LX to the EX? Then also if you wanted more about those particular cars, I have walk-around videos that show you all the cool standard features and functions, and also vehicle settings to set you guys up for success. So when you guys buy it, and boom, you can set everything up the way you want, okay? Well, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.